and welcome once again to Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube episode number 707th video. I'm Lalia and I'll be showing you a combined collection of hand-woven sarees, Tussar Georgettes, Gadwals, we have raw silks and few more collections, all handloom sarees. So I'll start with an exclusive Tussar Georgette. This is our bestseller item, especially when it comes to the colors that I show, very much in demand, exclusive shades. And here is the border. The border comes with Sona Rupa Zari. Stunning piece. The color is a lovely shade of olive. Little less of silver, mainly of gold, light gold. Very rich fabric. This Tussar Georgettes, a combination of pure Tussar and pure Georgette Banarasi. That yarn is there. So it has, even though it's Tussar, see how beautiful the fall comes. You can see from the pleat. The fall is so good. You know, you don't have to struggle much with the pleating. Hence, this collection is loved by all. It's the matte finish of the Tussar and the fall of the Georgette. So together, it gives a lovely, rich look. And the texture of the fabric is just superb. Throughout the year, you can wear them. And we make very, very exclusive weaves in this. Exclusive weaves comes in this. The color combination, the pattern, the design, variety of weavings we are doing thanks to our weavers for delivering every time something new or the other. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have this border. Cement color. Saris. This is a very elegant combination actually, very unusual. Certain fabrics, you know, they look so beautiful on earthy tones. All fabrics doesn't look good in earthy colors. But this particular Tussar especially, they give a very, very different look together when it comes to earth tones. This fuchsia is again another stunning color. Onion skin color, you can say. Now, once you've checked the weave, first of all, I'll just tell you a little more details on this design. This has a woven border, straight line. And then here we have the asymmetrical abstract border in floral and paisleys. The boota is a very new design boota. You see, it's an elongated fern and flowers with small silver zari, and here goes the light gold zari. And of course, the pallu is again extraordinarily rich weave with a solid color blouse piece with the border. In this pattern, we are showing this boota pattern with silver and gold zari. We are showing few more color options. This is a nice lime color, a touch of green, you can say, lemon skin, ripe lemon color. I try to be as specific as possible so that because you know what happens is due to light and the camera, the resolution of the mobile, so there may be little difference in the color. So I try to be very, very specific about the exact color which I'm seeing in front of me. Now I'll show you Rangkat pattern. It's tie and dye, you can say. It gives the Rangkat look, but actually it's a pure hand-woven sari, of course, with lovely earthy tones and pastel palette shaded. The color palette of this is very attractive, very unique. समर डे वेयर के लिए बहुत सुंदर एक ऑप्शन है. डे वेडिंग कोई ओकेशन में जाना हो, डे फॉर्मल वेयर. दिस इज वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी फेस्टिव कलर्स yet very sober. So for booking, those who are new to the video today, if you want to book our saris, you have to take the screenshot where the sari number is mentioned, the product code is mentioned, like TSR GGT 6. So that's our code. The prices are all clearly mentioned. There is no hide and seek. We are very transparent about what we are displaying and what we are saying, so that you can also decide seeing our price and the fabric. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp 76030429696. So if the sari is available, I will give you the bank details or the Paytm or scanner. You are paying to Sanskriti Kolkata business account or GPay or Paytm to our mobile number, which is there related to Sanskriti only. After payment, we will give you you will have to give me your details of shipment, like your name, address, telephone number, pin code, where it needs to be shipped. If you want the blouse stitching to be done, then you have to give us 2 weeks extra time. We'll connect you to the tailoring department. While I'm speaking, I must say about this stunning shade of green sari, this hara bhara beautiful leheriya tie and dye Tussar Georgette sari. Isn't this beautiful? So once we receive all your details, we are ready to ship. You will receive within India 8 working days. Outside India, 10 to 14 working days. Cash on delivery option only for Kolkata customers. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier. We have tie-up with the courier company, and till you receive your product, the responsibility is fully ours. See this diagonally very rich color, burnt orange, maroon, this lovely Tussar Georgette sari. Look at this. Stunning, isn't it? So if you're liking the videos and you feel we are good enough, please do subscribe to our channel. There's the bell icon for all notifications. So with every new video, you will get a notification so that you can see, at least appreciate and see the variety of Indian heritage weaves from different states of India. So many options I'm giving you. Now I'm coming to the small buttas. Small butta Tussar Georgette. So see, these are hand woven products, and exactly same is never possible. So we do not take any pre-orders, but we keep repeating a variety, not repeating. I would say the same product will never be repeated. Mostly it will never be repeated. Very rarely 1 or 2 on high demand we recreate, and then when there's ample stock, we may have showed it once again, but very, very rare. So no pre-bookings or pre-orders. You have to pay instantly to get the exact sari. And of course, if you can visit the store or do video call, you can see some more other options. But exactly same if you want, you have to book instantly. This aqua color and another slate color. So how did you like today's color chart of Tussar Georgette? Expecting your comment and replies. Sanskriti is a 30-year-old fashion house. This August we will turn 30. So whole year celebration. Yes, after seeing the fashion show and the interviews, many of you have requested for a sale. Every month there will be something or the other for you as well. So all the plannings are being sorted out. Let's see how much we can do for being with us for the past 30 years. Now I'll move on to pure hand woven mushroom satin silk sarees. These are, you know what? Every time after a few years there's some new name or the other. Basically these are pure satin sarees. You know, now that the इसपे mushroom बोलकर एक थोड़ा सा नया नाम दिया है. Basically these are pure handloom satin silk sarees, satin crepes you can say, and count is heavy. फर्क क्या है? काउंट सैटिन का बहुत सारा काउंट होता है, मशरूम का काउंट हेवी होता है. इसका जरी पर्टिकुलर ये पीस का डबल जरी है, रिच बॉर्डर गोल्ड का है, बूटा है फ्लोरल रोज, कलर स्ट्रॉबेरी पिंक और हैंड मेड टैसल्स. So very beautiful baby pink tone, strawberry pink in mushroom satin Banarasi. Quickly do the bookings. These mushrooms are just superb pieces that we've just received. This rose pattern, we have two colors. This is another stunning English tone with the grey color. This is a beautiful. These colors, they look so rich. Every fabric has a color palette. Like mushroom these we have displayed many semi mushrooms in short videos. So sorry, my voice is choking. So if you check out our Facebook short videos, you will see mushrooms, semi mushroom. Let me rectify myself. It's semi mushroom from 4,000, 4,500 onwards. And these 26, 27,000, why the difference? Lot of difference. But to keep budget friendly, in good quality, we've also displayed semi ones also. But these real ones, the pure one, lightweight, figure hugging, satin, pure, handloom, all beautiful zari, nakshi weave by master weavers. फर्क तो आएगा. Figure motive बहुत चल रहा है, especially when the Bollywood actresses have started wearing figure motifs in Banarasis. And here is the blouse piece, the soft peach color. The best part of this is the zari. The zari intent is gold and silver both with meena in magenta. और ये peach color के साथ ये combination बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया है. और ये है इसका पल्लू पार्ट and the tassels. Here is the blouse piece. Very beautiful combination of peach shade. फिगर मोटिव में और एक बेबी पिंक ऑप्शन है. डिजाइन अलग है लेकिन ये अगेन गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर जरी के ऊपर बहुत प्यारा पैटर्न है. और इसके साथ भी आपके लिए ये पिंक कलर. तो ये जो ब्राइड के लिए भी बहुत सुंदर एक साड़ी ऑप्शन हो सकता है. ब्राइड का घर वालों के लिए, लाइक द सिस्टर कैन वेयर दिस, द मदर कैन वेयर दिस, मदर इन लॉ कैन वेयर दिस. This is so beautiful. Any age can wear these colors. इसका कढ़ाई देखिए, ऑल हैंडलूम हैंड वोवन पूरा है. इतना सुंदर इसका फिनिशिंग होता है. इसका जरी का रिचनेस ही अलग होता है. Meena mushroom with Meena weaving. Now here comes the very rich looking Meena Buta, Meena border in dark bottle green. Such a stunning shade. Such a stunning shade. आप फॉल देखिए ना, कितना हल्का है, कितना लाइट वेट है, और कितना द फिगर हगिंग फॉल, सो फेमिनाइन, द रिचनेस ऑफ सैटिन, द शीन, द सॉफ्टनेस, द फील, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट वाओ। एक बार ये बॉर्डर देख लीजिए, बॉर्डर का वीविंग कितना सुंदर है बॉर्डर। हम आपको ये साड़ी का बॉर्डर भी दिखा रहे हैं, इसका बूटा। अब इसका रिवर्स साइड देखिए, कटिंग, फिनिशिंग, हैंडलूम। दिस इज द रिवर्स साइड, दिस इज द राइट साइड, एंड द पल्लू फुल मीना। Two beautiful hanging sarees. These two are in resham, hand woven. Those who like cotton Banarasi. So this is not the cotton that you see. This is resham. It's cotton by silk but not blended. This is pure. जो बहुत एलिगेंट और क्लासी साड़ी उसको पसंद है और वो रिचनेस नहीं देखते हैं, क्योंकि ये साड़ी में यू कैन नॉट वेयर देम टू वेडिंग्स, यू कैन वेयर टू वेडिंग मॉर्निंग्स, बट रात शाम के लिए थोड़ा सा अगर आपको रिच लुक चाहिए, इसमें बहुत सोबर लुक है, इसका लुक ही अलग है। दिस इज फॉर वेरी फ्यू क्लासी लुक, दोज हु वांट, इट्स अ वेरी एलिगेंट, बहुत एलिगेंट साड़ी है। ये सोबर कलर में आता है, इसका फील अच्छा होता है, बहुत सॉफ्ट, इसका जो टेक्सचर है बहुत सॉफ्ट है, एकदम मल जैसा। वेरी प्रिटी इन प्योर हैंडलूम विथ जरी बूटा, 9900, एंड इसके पल्ला में पैठनी वीव है। आप देखिए साड़ी के बीच में, इफ यू सी द फाइननेस ऑफ द वीव, एक्सेलेंट पीस। दीज आर वेरी रेयर, एक्चुअली इसका लेबर कॉस्ट बहुत कम है, क्योंकि ये रेशम बेस है, प्योर है, कॉटन बेस रेशम बेस में है, और इसके साथ ये ब्लाउज भी, लेकिन इसका लेबर चार्ज बहुत कम है, इसलिए आजकल ये सब कारीगर मिलना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है। ये प्राइस में ये वीविंग जो टेक्निक है, ये अगर सिल्क में करे ना तो वो इसका डबल चार्ज लेता है, लेकिन इसमें उसको वो लेबर चार्ज नहीं मिलते, इसलिए वो लोग ये नहीं करना चाहते हैं। बट बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करके कुछ स्पेशल, दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस बनाया है। दिस लेमन येलो कलर इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटिफुल, 9900। नाउ यू सी द पल्लू, द टैसल्स, द ओवरऑल लुक ऑफ द साड़ी देखिए, एकदम हल्का, एकदम बहुत सुंदर। और जरी, सबसे बढ़िया बात, इसका जरी भी इतना सॉफ्ट है, वेरी रेयर पीस। Now I'll show you some exclusive crush hand woven tissues. Exclusive hand woven crush tissues. इसमें ज्यादा कुछ कॉन्ट्रास्ट नहीं है, देखिए एकदम टोन ऑन टोन जरी है, कितना सुंदर इसका ब्लेंडिंग है कलर, और इसका ब्लाउज एकदम रिच गोल्ड में है। अब टिश्यू में अगर प्योर में हो तो बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है। अच्छा, आपको तो ये जरी ब्लाउज दिखा दिया, इसका रिचनेस देखिए, देखने से पता चलेगा कितना गुड क्वालिटी और बढ़िया जरी है इसमें। अब थोड़ा सा देखिए कितना सुंदर इसका फॉल है, थोड़ा सा हम वॉकिंग, देखिए फॉल कितना सुंदर है। दिस इज क्लासी, ब्यूटिफुल पीस। क्रश टिश्यू में कुछ नया कलर्स I'll show with gold zari. These are not see-through. Tassels, just stunning. A must in every wardrobe. ज्यादा है नहीं, लेकिन दो बढ़िया वाला मैंने दिखा दिया आपको, बढ़िया दो पीस। Now some raw silks for you. in antique zari. Look at the color. वीविंग और कॉम्बिनेशन तो बाद में बताएंगे, अब पहले आपको कलर अट्रैक्ट करेगा. रनिंग ब्लाउज पीस. आप इसके साथ ऐसे नहीं कि आप गोल्ड नहीं पहन सकते हो, आप गोल्ड भी पहन सकते हो. एक से बढ़कर एक कलर्स दिखाएंगे हम. लुक एट दिस, सुपर्ब. raw silks, beautiful raw silks, handlooms. आज का एपिसोड you can say a tribute to all the weavers who work tirelessly with specially बनारस में. ज़्यादातर हमने आपको बनारस ही दिखा रहे हैं अब तक. तो बनारस में जो हीट है और the sound of the loom continuous without AC, it's really, you know, we must salute the weavers. We must give some credit, not some, all credit. This color is not black, okay? This is a very dark burgundy tone type color. Very dark burgundy tone type color. Number 20. Navy type color, dark navy. Narrow border, red. And this beautiful narrow border green and red color combination. These two are Tussar Banarasi. The previous navy and this green is Tussar Banarasi. So two Tussar Banarasi has come in between. Stunning narrow border, small buttas, beautiful shade. And now we'll continue with the raw silks again. Borderless Meena Butta, always in demand in the young generation as well as in our generation. Everybody loves borderless now. Deep maroon with ink blue. Meena Butta. Raw silk, midnight blue raw silk, ये आप कॉर्पोरेट पार्टीज के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होगा क्योंकि इट हैज वेरी सोबर लुक विद द रिचनेस ऑफ द सिल्क. Very beautiful. Now close up of the buttas. So now after the Banarasi segment, I'll move on to the Gadwals. Borderless again, pure silk Gadwal, hand woven. All my saris will be hand wovens. Handloom saris with Butta Zari blouse piece in contrast. Borderless Gadwal. The body has small circular weave as well as striped zari weave. This is the pallu. Original Gadwal pure pattus. Look at the pallu. Stunning, just stunning pallu. So unusual. Last time, the Gadwal episode, I showed, I think, 35 to 38 Gadwals. Within 3 to 4 hours, sold out. So I hope this time also I'll get a good response, because hand-woven sarees, really feel very excited to showcase as well as sell. डिस्प्ले करने में जितना मजा आता तो है ही, वीविंग का टेक्निक वीवर को आता है, ये डिजाइनिंग और ये कॉम्बिनेशंस देना मेरा काम है, लेकिन उसके बाद जब ये आता है शोरूम में, उसके बाद जब हम डिस्प्ले करते हैं, पूरा रेडी करते हैं ये एपिसोड के लिए, ऑल getting it ready and then displaying what will come one after the other, everything I do myself along with the help of my staffs, and then we display these beautiful pieces. So your support gives us the full encouragement to regularly be in touch with the weavers and get the best out of them. The stunning yellow with Ganga Jamuna red black border. And here comes the stunning light mehendi. This has a touch of lime, lime color. That was more of a yellow color. This has a lime tone with bottle green border pallu blouse piece. See the pallu. And here is the blouse piece. Lime with dark bottle green. Now this beautiful beige color with rich maroon border. And the border has this temple finishing with zari, and here the end border has a touch of green tone, and here is the pallu. Comes with this maroon blouse piece. Measure 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse piece. This is the combination. Daughter or daughter-in-law's mother can wear this. Son or daughter's wedding. This is the very rich pallu, and I love this combination. Very beautiful Gadwal. Yellow and red. Ideal for a haldi ceremony. For the bride or the family of the bride, this rich check Gadwal with traditional peacock motif in the pallu and red blouse piece. Ideal for a traditional combination Gadwal. These are all silks. What I'm showing you are all pure silk. Very beautiful. The silk has check weave as well as zari buttas. Peacock blue with red. Gap border with butta. Pretty, isn't it? All the saris are different from each other. In this gap border, I'll show you another stunning combination of off-white and red. The most in-demand combination in Gadwal with gold zari, red temple border. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. And here I can see something very unique. पूरा साड़ी में कहीं पे जो नहीं है, एक ग्रीन का मीना जो बूटा का टच है वही पूरा चेंज कर दिया साड़ी का लुक को. So all these what I'm showing till now are silk. Today only silk Gadwals. So all these that I was showing were all pure pattus except for mine, which is pure cotton handloom Gadwal with silk border pallu, including the blouse piece. The blouse piece is also in pure silk, isn't it? It's so beautiful, two-tone magenta color, Rani magenta color with Ganga Jamuna border, green and Rani border, Ganga Jamuna. The best part of the sari is the gold and silver buttas with the check weave in the body. So this is Karwa weave, turning border, buttas, Sona Rupa, silk blouse, silk border, silk pallu. Price of this stunning combination sari 13,900. Siko Gadwal 13,900, and the set that I'm wearing, the neck piece along with this beautiful earring, 4,900. And the bracelet single piece 1,900. So hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel Sanskriti Kolkata.